Have you ever wondered how some YouTube channels explode with views and subscribers using simple videos without showing their face, without expensive equipment, and without spending months struggling? What if I told you that there are hidden YouTube niches right now where creators upload a few short videos and start generating real income while competition is still very low? In this video, I will show you step by step how to create this exact type of content, from finding the niche to generating the script, creating the images, adding voiceover, and editing everything into a professional video that is ready to be uploaded. This is not theory. This is a repeatable system that anyone can follow, even if you are a beginner. Make sure you watch this video until the end, because everything you need is here. And if you want access to exclusive strategies, low competition niches, and real opportunities to build successful YouTube channels, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. Now, let's get started. Take a look, for example, at this type of channel. Look at when it started, look at the number of subscribers, and look at the videos themselves. Only 30 videos, more than 60,000 subscribers, and look at how much the channel owner is earning per month, between $900 and $3,000. Now look at the type of content they create. Very simple, short videos that do not exceed 10 minutes. This niche is in high demand right now, and the proof is that the channel uploaded only 30 videos and achieved this number of subscribers. So this is the niche I want to share with you in this video. That's why I want you not to leave this video. Watch it from beginning to end because it contains a huge amount of valuable information. You will not need to watch any other videos. Everything you need is inside this one video. I also hope you subscribe to the channel, activate the notification bell, and hit the like button to encourage us to keep providing high-quality content like this. We will also share new and unknown niches on YouTube with very low competition. Step 1. Using the prompt file. First, we will go to this file that contains all the prompts. I will leave this file below the video for free download. It includes all the stages of creating the video from start to finish, with professional prompts for every step. So, to keep the video concise, we will copy the first prompt, which will give us the main idea for the video we are going to create. Then we go to ChatGPT, paste the prompt, and press Enter. As you can see, ChatGPT gives us 5 video ideas. We will choose only one idea to create the video. In this example, I will choose idea number 2, and I will use it to explain the process in this video. After that, we return to the prompt file and take the second professional prompt. We copy the entire prompt exactly as it is, with all its instructions, then return to ChatGPT and paste it there. Here is where we place the title we selected. As I mentioned, I will choose the second topic because I like it. We paste it, then press Enter, and we get a professional script. Using this method, you will get everything in a very professional way. As you can see, ChatGPT generated a professional script with a strong hook, which is the most important part of the entire video, especially the first 0 to 10 seconds. Look at how the script is structured professionally: the first habit, the second habit, the third habit, and so on, and finally, the ending of the video. After that, we ask ChatGPT to generate image prompts for this script from beginning to end. Now that we have a professional script, as you can see, it is perfectly suitable for a motivational video with a strong hook, which is the most important element. Next, we return to the same file that I mentioned earlier, which I will leave below the video. We copy the next prompt, go back to ChatGPT, paste it, and then upload an image as a reference image so ChatGPT can generate visuals that match our topic. As you can see, after generating the script, we now have 4 habits in this topic. Now we return again to the file, copy the final prompt, which is used to generate consistent images, and we will use another free tool that we will discover later in this video. We paste the prompt into ChatGPT and upload an image as a reference. For example, I chose this image. This image is a stick figure style, which ChatGPT will use as a reference to generate images for our topic. We then press Enter. Perfect. As you can see, ChatGPT generated all the image prompts needed to create the video from beginning to end. Now pay close attention to this very important point. This block must be included verbatim in every single prompt to ensure 100% consistency. This part of the prompt must be included in every image prompt. For example, in the first image prompt, we paste it and then add this consistency block below it. Then we move to the second prompt, paste it, and again include the same consistency block, and we repeat this process for every image. Now we have all the image prompts for this topic. As you can see, there are many prompts because I requested that every short sentence in the script must have its own visual representation. This is what gives the video its strength and quality. We have 30 prompts, which means we will generate 60 images for this video. Step 2. Generating images. Now we move to the second stage, generating the images. As you can see, this website is amazing. It is a Google tool for generating images for our topic. The website is called Whisk. We return to ChatGPT, copy the first image prompt, paste it into Whisk, and, as mentioned earlier, we also paste the consistency prompt, which must remain constant for all images. Then we click Generate to get our first image. The website does not take long to generate images. Look at the quality. Then we move to the second prompt, return to the website, paste it, and again ensure that the consistency prompt remains included. We press Enter. I really hope you understand this point. The consistency prompt must stay with every single image prompt. We repeat this process with the third prompt, fourth, and so on. In this way, I will generate all the images and then I'll come back to you. After generating all the images, I download them to my computer. Step 3. Voiceover creation. Now we move to the third step, which is creating the voiceover. This website is also amazing. It is owned by Google and completely free. Through it, we can generate professional voiceovers. I return to ChatGPT and copy the script. I take the first part, then the second, then the third to generate a high-quality voiceover. I copy the first part of the script, paste it into the website, select single speaker, do not choose multi-speaker, then choose the voice that fits this type of video. I select this voice because it suits this style of content. Then I click Run. I return to ChatGPT, copy the next part of the script, and repeat the same process. If you paste the entire script at once, the voice quality will be lower, so it's better to paste section by section to get excellent voiceover quality. As you can hear, the result is amazing. I click the 3 dots and download the audio. I repeat this process until I have all the voiceover files. Optional tip: image animation. As a professional tip, this same website allows you to animate images or turn them into videos. You can click here, add a short prompt describing the motion, then click Generate. This is just an optional idea if you want to animate all images, but I don't recommend it because it takes a lot of time. Now, as you can see, I have downloaded all the images. Second professional tip: number all images so you don't get confused during editing. Final step: editing. Now we move to the final stage: editing. I will show you step by step how to edit this type of video, so don't leave the video. Everything you need is here. You won't need to watch any other tutorials. We open CapCut, click Create New Project, and first upload the voiceover. Then we add the images. I go back to ChatGPT and organize the images according to the prompts. Prompts 1 to 7 are for the introduction, then we move to the first habit, second habit, and so on. This method makes editing very easy. Next, we animate the images. We go to Animation, Combo, choose an animation that fits this type of video, and vary animation slightly for visual interest. Then we add transitions between images to make the video more professional. Next, we go to Effects, search for Fire, and choose this effect because it adds warmth to the video. After that, we add captions. We select English, then Generate, choose a font that fits this type of content, then apply a suitable template. As you can see, using these steps, you can complete the entire edit easily. I'll stop here so the video doesn't get too long. Look how professional and beautiful the final result is. Even the captions attract the eye and help increase views. Now you've seen the full process, from idea to final video. You've learned how to use AI tools, how to generate professional scripts, consistent images, high-quality voiceovers, and how to edit everything into a polished YouTube video. This type of content works because it is simple, scalable, and in high demand, and most importantly, it is still underrated in low competition. If you apply what you learned in this video, you are not just watching content, you are building a real opportunity. If you found value in this tutorial, subscribe to the channel because we regularly share exclusive niches, proven methods, and strategies that most people don't talk about. And if you know someone who wants to start a YouTube channel or make money online, share this video with them. It might completely change their path. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.